wonderful day.
یو ایس اے کے معروف بزنس مین ہیں اور بلکہ سیاستدان بھی ہیں، بڑا اچھا تجزیہ کرتے ہیں، ڈاکٹر سید علی نقی صاحب ہیں. آپ نے انہیں میرے پروگراموں میں اکثر دیکھا ہوگا، دی لندن آئی میں، اور آپ کو یہاں امریکہ کی تھوڑی سی سیر بھی کرواتے ہیں کہ رات ہم دونوں نے رزلٹس کو دیکھتے ہوئے اور پھر تجزیہ کرتے ہوئے گزاری، اور شروع سے ہی لگا تھا کہ شاید ٹرمپ اور کملا ہیرس کے درمیان 50-50 مقابلہ ہوگا، تو لیکن یہ ون سائیڈڈ ہو گیا. کے لیے سرپرائزنگ تھی یہ وکٹری ڈونلڈ ٹرمپ کی کہ وہ جیت گئے اس طرح.
سرپرائز تو نہیں تھی، لیکن مقابلہ ہمیں پتہ تھا کہ یہ 50-50 ہے. یہ ڈیپینڈ کرے گا کہ یہ جو اسٹیٹس ہیں وہ کدھر جاتی ہیں. تو اپیرنٹلی اور اب تو اپیرنٹلی نہیں ہے، اب تو ہو گیا ہے کہ سوئنگ اسٹیٹس جو ہیں وہ انہوں نے ٹرمپ کو ووٹ دیے اور ان کو اچھے مارجن سے جتوا دیا ہے. تو یہ ظاہر ہے چینج ہے امریکن پالیٹکس میں، وچ از ایکچولی امیزنگ کہ اے مین ہو واز ہانٹیڈ بائی دی اسٹیبلشمنٹ ان لاسٹ 4 years اینڈ ہی واز اباؤٹ ٹو بی سینٹ ٹو جیل، لیکن اس نے گیو اپ نہیں کیا اور اس نے مقابلہ کیا ہے، اور اب وہ بیٹھا ہوا ناؤ از کمنگ بیک ٹو دا وائٹ ہاؤس. سو اٹس ویری انٹرسٹنگ اینڈ امیزنگ اسٹوری. سو اب دیکھتے ہیں کہ نیکسٹ 4 سال کیا ہوگا. دیٹ ول بی ویری انٹرسٹنگ بیکاز ہی برنگز ان ہز اون way of doing things. He is a very, very free man. He does things according to his convictions. So یہ بہت different 4 سال ہوں گے compared to the previous 4 years. So let's hope for the best.
So many people in Pakistan or abroad across the globe would be thinking what will be the changing.
It is known that Trump is his philosophy is peace and no war. تو موسٹ لائکلی جو یوکرین کی وار ہے وہ تو یہ آلموسٹ ہے، کیونکہ یوکرین کامیاب نہیں ہوا. رشیا ہیز ریئلی کیپٹ گوئنگ ایٹ اٹ، اور ٹرمپ اور رشیا کے تعلقات بھی بہت اچھے ہیں پوٹن کے ساتھ. سو میرے خیال میں they will end the Ukraine war. تو جو مڈل ایسٹ ہے اس کا ابھی کچھ کہنا قابل از وقت ہوگا، کیونکہ اس کے ڈاکٹرن کے حساب سے، ٹرمپ ڈاکٹرن کے حساب سے تو وہ جنگ بھی بند ہونی چاہیے. لیکن ٹرمپ بھی بہت ہی قریب ہے نیتنیاہو کے. تو ویدر یہ ٹرمپ اس کو نیتنیاہو کو کنونس کر لے گا کہ اسٹاپ فائٹنگ، یہ کوسچن مارک ہے، کیونکہ ٹرمپ اور اس کا سن ان لا جو ہے وہ بہت قریب ہے نیتنیاہو کے. تو نیتنیاہو probably will have to listen to Trump. So let's see what happens.
ڈاکٹر علی سید نقی صاحب کے بزنس پلیس کے اوپر میں ہوں اور میں آپ کو دکھانے جا رہا ہوں کہ ان کی پروڈکٹس اصل میں ہے کیا، اور میں ایک شارٹ سا انٹرویو بھی نقی صاحب کے ساتھ کروں گا جو یہ اپنی بزنس کے حوالے سے بتائیں گے کس طرح پاکستان سے آ کر انہوں نے 54 سال پہلے 54 ایئرس پہلے انہوں نے یہ بزنس سیٹ کیا اور کس طرح کامیابی حاصل کی، اور بزنس کریں تو پھر اس کے اصول کیا ہیں، پھر اس کے بعد آپ اپنے جو امپلائیز ہوتے ہیں، جو ورکر ہوتے ہیں، ان کو کس طرح آپ نے ڈیل کرنا ہے، یہ ساری باتیں میں ابھی آپ کو دکھانے والا ہوں۔
لیکن اس میں زیادہ تر پیکیجنگ کمپوننٹس اور ہیں جس سے ہم بناتے ہیں ساری چیزیں، پیکیجنگ کمپوننٹس۔
ٹھیک ٹھیک ٹھیک۔ السلام علیکم۔ We're going to the warehouse.
Yeah.
So I haven't seen this place first. Hi. Everything is here now.
This is our shipping area. That's where we keep our manufactured products. اور یہاں پہ پھر ہم یہاں سے ہم سارے شپ کرتے ہیں، یورپ میں بھی، امریکہ میں بھی، افریقہ میں بھی، مڈل ایسٹ میں بھی، تو یہی سے ساری شپ ہوتی ہے۔
So can you explain me what is it all about? What products are?
These are all hair products for curly hair, wavy hair, textured people. So we have that. Also for straight hair, we have a brand called Uberless. So one of the flagship for the curly hair is called As I Am. And another brand is called Character and Affirm. So this is mainly our business here.
So you manufacture things here?
We manufacture in the other building as you saw, and then we bring them here, and then we ship everything from this building.
So it's going by ship now to different countries? How many countries?
About 60 different countries.
Ah.
Yeah, we are shipped to Europe, Africa, and all those places, Middle East. So that's how it works.
What is the key to success then?
Hard work, honest, passion, all those things combined.
And this was your own idea? You have conceived?
The founder, yes. I am the founder. Now my family runs the most of the business. I'm still involved on the science of things. I'm a chemist plus I have a PhD in business management. So as a family, this is what we do now. So all my kids, my wife, and my daughter, everyone is involved.
What will be your message to the people, especially young people, if you want to do some sort of business? How likely it is for a peace of mind and progress rather than working for someone?
It's always great to work for yourself, but first you have to learn your skills, find out what you love to do, so then you have passion for that, you work hard, and make sure your idea is a unique idea. If it is not a unique idea, then the chances of success go down, less chance of success. So combine all these elements, then I think the success comes. But you must make sure that you're very honest with everyone, your customer is your boss, and then also your employees, all of that you have to make sure they are the ones who are going to make you successful. But you got to have a great idea, have passion for whatever you're doing, work hard, be honest, and then success will come your way.
How do you treat your employees?
You have to treat your employees with dignity, with fairness, and the basic principles we have, Islam teaches us. We must make sure that we treat them as great human beings.
تو آپ بیل شیل بجا کے پاکستان کے اسٹائل کی طرح آپ کو وہ سروس وغیرہ مہیا کرتے ہیں, چائے بناتے ہیں؟
No, we don't get involved in that. اللہ کا شکر ہے, I'm healthy. I do everything for myself. I don't ring a bell for anything. I'm a simple human being as I was raised, and I have kept it that same way.
How many people working for you?
In this facility we have about 150 people,
Uh-huh.
and then about good 20 people in Brazil, and then about another 20 in UK, Birmingham.
So if I'm your friend,
Yeah.
for instance, or your relative, so if I seek the job, do I have to go follow the process?
You have to follow the process, then that's why you make sure that you are qualified. If you're not qualified, then it's very difficult for us to really...
Even you can't recommend me, or you can't take me job?
Yeah, you don't, because business is where you have to be fair and honest with all employees the same way.
اپنے ملازموں کو آپ ہالیڈے وغیرہ بھی دیتے ہیں؟
Sure. There are, depending how senior, how many number of years they have worked for us. So for first year they get a week, and then 3 years they get 2 weeks, and then they, I think 5 years they get 3 weeks, and after 10 years they get 1 month or 4 weeks, and then on and on. Yeah.
How long did it take you to get in this position?
Of course, before starting this business, I worked for multinationals for 12 years. I learned everything there. And then I started this, and it's been 40 years now I've been in my own business.
So altogether in this business you are 40 years or so?
Total 52 years, out of that 40 years for my own business.
کیا کرتے تھے پہلے پاکستان میں؟
Pakistan mein to, of course, when I finished my master's in chemistry, I was teaching chemistry at Foreman Christian College and Aitchison College, and then I left, went to East Africa for about a year and a half, and then from there I migrated here. So I was teaching there, but then here I went on to become a chemist for personal care products, hair and skin. So that was my specialty, which I specialized in America for a good 12 years before starting my own business.
Probably you will hate me now. How people will remember Dr. Ali Syed Naqi?
I hope they'll remember me as a good human being who treated people fairly. That is the bottom line, being fair to everyone you come in contact with. And that comes from our teachings, especially as a Sayyid. I was trained from my parents that you have to act like one. Be a good Muslim. Make sure you are following the teachings of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So I try to do my best.
You don't want to be remembered as a wealthy Pakistani Sayyid, migrant, American Pakistani. You want to be remembered as you were nice with other people?
Definitely. The main thing is that is the bottom line. We are human beings. That, as Imam Ali said, our first relationship is we are brothers in humanity. So if we lose that, then the rest is just useless. So you have to be a good human being first, whosoever you touch, to make sure that they remember you as a good human being. And then the second thing is a brother in Iman. But again, that teaches you how to treat people fairly and honestly. Otherwise, you're not going to be remembered well. Wealth can come and go. That's not important.
Business में झूठ भी बोला जाता है. Often people lie when they're dealing with a client. They want to sell their products. What would you say to those people that Well, it's a part of business. They try to justify it.
I do not subscribe to that philosophy. Actually, businessman has to be very honest, truthful, and do not lie. Because if you lie about your product or your deal making, during your deal making, that never works out. People will prefer you or like you more if you tell them the honest truth. That is very crucial. When I am selling my product to my customers, I tell them honestly what my product does, able to earn their trust. And once I have earned their trust, then I have a much better relationship, and possibly it is going to help my business even more. So honesty is
The best policy.
Ultimately, it is what makes you win.
Or lying and cheating always has bad impact on you and on your children.
Also,
And cars.
any system based on lying and cheating is never successful. So I don't believe in that.
Dr. Saab, you look very healthy and very fit, even more fitter than me. What's the key for this fitness? Daily routine, work up and down, attending the meetings, going to warehouses, looking after your clients, your staff, your family, or otherwise you eat very healthy and people...
It's a combination of all these things. When you get up in the morning, you pray. I'm praying during the day. I'm doing a lot of dhikr. People will find me, I have a little tasbih in my hand. I'm going around. That is my routine. I go to different departments, talk to different people. My passion is still the science of hair care. You will find me all the time in the labs and manufacturing and warehouse. All of my first stop in the morning before I go into the building is my warehouse where I am standing right now. And I just look at what are we shipping, what's going on, what are the activities. Then I get into the second building where my labs are and the marketing and sales offices, manufacturing. So I'm all around. Businessman, what I learned was that religion is really your backbone. If you follow Islam or any religion, whatever your religion is, but in my case, it's as a Muslim, if I do not practice Islam, then I will not be that successful. That is very crucial for me.
So basically a guide to deal your daily affairs. You are an American,
Pakistani-American.
And you voted for this time for a change. So what is this one then?
This is a kit for relaxing hair. So you have 9 applications in this. It makes your curly hair straight.
Make the curly hair straight?
Yeah, permanently.
And what about me? I am losing my hair.
Oh, that's a different product. As I am.
Will you give it to me?
Yeah.
سر کیا ہے یہاں پر؟
یہ سارا مینوفیکچرنگ ایریا ہے. یہاں سے ہم تقریباً یہاں پہ ہم 7,000 اور 7,000 کیلوز کے پروڈکٹس ہیں. پھر اس سے چھوٹے پھر آلموسٹ 1,000 کیلو. سو اٹ ڈپینڈس یہ کتنا بڑا بیچ چاہیے. تو اسی حساب سے یہ مینوفیکچرنگ ساری ہوتی ہے.
تو یہ مین جگہ ہے آپ کی یعنی پروڈکٹ کو بنانے والی؟
مینوفیکچرنگ ایریا. اور یہاں پہ ساری چیزیں مکس ہوتی ہیں. اس کے بعد وہ پروسیس کرتے ہیں. پروسیس کرنے کے بعد تو ادھر دوسری جگہ ٹرانسفر دیتے ہیں جہاں وہ فلنگ کرتے ہیں باٹلس میں, کیپس میں, جو میں آپ کو ابھی لے کے جاؤں گا. And now it's brought in, shipped here, it's being filled and packaged in the bottle, finished bottle. If you look at it, it's one of our sites, which we produce thousands and thousands of units of this product, and it's sold worldwide.
Okay.
So it is based on rosemary. This is a rosemary water, which is sprayed on the hair to help for healthy hair growth.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Checking, how do you do it? So you put the lid on. क्या मुझे बता दे?
Products they're filling the hair styling gel that's being filled in the jars and the green cap.
Hi. Wait, what is your job? What's your job? Okay.
They're changing the roll. Just wait 1 second. He's
Yeah.
changing a new roll of the labels.
یہ پیکنگ ہو رہی ہے. تو یہ یہاں سے ہوگا اور وہ ادھر چلا جائے گا. ہاں ہاں بند کر رہا ہے. واہ جی واہ. Hi guys.
Conditioning, these are conditioner bars. So it's done at hot fill. So you can see it's coming through that cold tunnel, cooling tunnel. And then finally, they take it out.
A lot of products you make then?
Yes.
Everything to do with hair?
Everything is to do with hair and skin.
Very nice.
ٹیسٹ ہوتی ہیں
ہاں.
اور ڈفرنٹ میتھڈز اینڈ ٹیکنیکس اینڈ all of these things, various equipments are used here on the hair and skin, especially hair. Yeah, you can see blonde hair.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah. So this is, we are doing a lot of testing here, and that's what's going on. Yeah. So and then various tests are run for hair strength, hair moisture, hair combing, all of those kind of things are being done here.
Good.
Walaikum, kaise hain aap?
You working, enjoying work for Mr. Naqi?
Yes, definitely.
And you are from Karachi?
From Karachi, yes.
Thank you.
This is a product development lab, and we try to make a lot of different products here. You could see here a shampoo bar. We've created that. Similarly, other products. This is based on rosemary shampoo bar. A lot of other products are formulated here, and then they go to manufacturing and then filling and shipping and then out the door to various markets. While she is developing the skincare products, she just did the as I am face moisturizer, and then she's also doing a vitamin C serum for any kind of skin spots, darker spots, to fade them, and similarly many other face cleanser or face the makeup remover. All of those products are formulated by us. Here we also test incoming raw materials first for their quality, then also after that the finished products. So this is a quality assurance lab. Yeah.
This is also a testing place. We've been here. Hi.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm all right, thank you.
Hey, Doc.
Hey, Carla.
Sir.
Hi.
So this is your main office then.
This is my office.
You control the world from here,
We try. The world.
and America controls the world. Hafiz.